Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary lesson takes a deeper look at the term acrimonious. Acrimonious is an adjective that describes speech, disagreement, or relationships filled with bitterness, anger, sharp criticism, or hostile feelings. The word often suggests that a conflict has become personal, resentful, and emotionally unpleasant, not just serious or difficult. Related forms include acrimony, the noun for bitter hostility, and acrimoniously, the adverb for doing something in a bitter, angry way. In real communication, acrimonious helps describe arguments where the tone has turned harsh, resentful, or damaging to the relationship. Acrimonious signals that people are no longer disagreeing calmly. Their words, behavior, or attitude now carry bitterness and hostility. The meaning is generally consistent across English speaking regions, and the word often appears in news, politics, business, divorce discussions, workplace conflicts, and legal disputes. For example, after months of tension, the neighbors had an acrimonious argument about noise, parking, and the damaged fence between their houses. The company meeting became acrimonious when executives blamed each other for the failed launch instead of discussing practical solutions. The negotiations ended in an acrimonious exchange, with both sides accusing the other of acting unfairly and refusing to compromise. Common phrases include acrimonious debate, acrimonious divorce, acrimonious dispute, acrimonious relationship, and acrimonious exchange, all describing conflict with bitter emotion. Acrimonious usually appears before a noun, as in an acrimonious meeting, but it can also follow linking verbs like became or remained. Acrimonious is stronger than angry or tense. It suggests bitterness, resentment, and a sharp tone that can make reconciliation harder. When you hear acrimonious, think of a conflict that has moved beyond disagreement and become bitter, sharp, and personally hostile. That's acrimonious. One word, stronger English.